Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arsalan and today we will be solving a new LeetCode question, that is number of common factors. We will be solving this question with the help of JavaScript, and let's read out the question. The question says, given two positive integers a and b, return the number of common factors of a and b. An integer x is a common factor of a and b if x divides both a and b. Okay, so what they're actually asking are, we have to return number of numbers which are divisible by, means which are common factor of both these numbers, 12 and 6. So if we count here, there are four numbers in here: 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, similarly, if we talk about here, there are two numbers which are common factor of both these numbers, which are 1 and 5. Okay, so just before I start solving this question in the coding section, please guys do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the recent updates from the channel. So now let's start solving this question, and my approach would be here. First of all, I will be taking the maximum value between both of these values, and I will tell you why. Because I have to check for the range from which for to which I will be looping my code here. So my approach would be n is equals to math dot max, and if I put here a and b, this would be my range. Okay, so this is my range of my loop. Now I will be creating another loop, another variable here. Let I is equals to 1, and I will create my let an empty array in which I will be pushing my these values. Okay, so now I will be saying while n is greater than equal to I and I plus plus. Now I will write my condition here: if a mod I is equals to 0 and b mod I is equals to 0, then result dot push I. Okay, so I hope you have got the point here. If you haven't understood this concept here, I will tell you again that I have created a range which is my maximum value between both of these values, because there is no defined that a is greater than b or b is greater than a. They have just said that there are two numbers, so in which we don't know which is the maximum value. So I have taken maximum value as n between both of these values. So my n would be maximum value, and I have taken the range from 1 to n, which is maximum value of these both these numbers. So I is equals to 1 whenever, and I have increased value in each iteration by 1, and then I have checked for if a mod I is equals to 0, means if it is divisible by is I, and also it is divisible by b is divisible by I, that same number, then push those value in my result array. So now I just return return result dot length. Okay, now this will give me result dot length, means there are four elements in my array result. So if I return result, now I will get my answer here. So you see that my code has been running successfully, and I have already applied it for multiple test cases. So you see that I have also taken 25 and 30 into consideration, and it is running successfully. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section, and see you next time.